Watch a single YouTube Shorts video and you'll earn $3. If you watch 2 videos, that's roughly $6 in your pocket. Now, if you watch 10 YouTube Shorts video, you'll keep receiving $30 repeatedly. At this moment, I've already accumulated over $300 using this method. Just picture the idea of getting paid for enjoying YouTube Shorts. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Here's how you can do it. To start, visit the YouTube homepage and log into your YouTube account by clicking on Sign In. You can use your Gmail and password or set up a new account if needed. After logging in, navigate to the Shorts section. You can either search for hashtag Shorts in the YouTube search bar or simply click on Shorts in the top left corner. There are over 600 million YouTube Shorts available. In a moment, I'll explain how you can watch YouTube Shorts like the ones you see here and start earning money. As you can see, people have earned $21, $17, and more by watching YouTube Shorts. Imagine your potential earnings if you watch at least 50 to 100 YouTube Shorts each day. However, not all YouTube Shorts will make you money. Focus only on Shorts with millions of views. For example, this video has 48 million views, which is a good indicator. On the other hand, this video has less than 10,000 views, which isn't promising. I recommend not going for anything below 1 million views. But don't worry, I've already identified 3 viral niches for you to choose from, each with millions of views. ASMR videos. Search for hashtag Shorts plus ASMR in the YouTube search bar to find these videos. Unboxing videos. This niche is currently trending, with videos gaining a massive number of views. Before and after videos. These viral videos can also work wonders. Let's take ASMR videos as an example to explain the process and how to capitalize on these views to earn money. This method is easier than you might think, requiring only an internet connection and your computer or smartphone. But before we proceed, please like the video and let me know your location. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now, visit one of these videos and click on the channel. For instance, click on this one with over 10 million subscribers, which means millions of views. One of their recent video even reached 16 million views. To maximize your earnings, not only watch these videos, but also earn from others watching them. Select Shorts and then click Most Popular. You'll find a Shorts video with 225 million views. Click on it, then hit Share to obtain the link. Copy this link. Next, we'll convert this link into a money link, ensuring you earn money every time someone clicks and watches the video. Pay close attention because I'll reveal the exact strategy I used to make $348. I'll show you where to share your link for thousands of free clicks. We'll use a new website for this purpose. Before revealing the website name, make sure you watch all the steps. This site allows you to earn money for clicks. For instance, 1,000 clicks from Greenland will earn you $20, and the rates vary by country. Imagine on a video with 225 million views, earning $8 for every 1,000 views. That translates to tens of thousands of dollars. I want you to take advantage of this opportunity. As shown earlier, people have successfully withdrawn money from this website for watching YouTube Shorts. Now, let's delve into the details. Create an account on shrinkerin.com by clicking Sign Up and providing your username, email, password, and clicking the required boxes. Once registered and your email is verified, your dashboard will look like this. On the dashboard, click New Shorten Link and paste your YouTube Shorts link. After pasting, click Shorten and your money link is ready. Now the crucial step is getting people to click on this link and watch the video. Here are the websites I use. For ASMR videos, visit ASMR Tingle, a popular ASMR forum. Create posts similar to what others are doing, sharing your link and saying something like, "Check out this viral ASMR video I found on YouTube. Let me know what you think." The more posts you make, the more clicks and earnings you'll accumulate. For other niches such as unboxing videos, use Facebook. Search for your niche, join relevant groups, and share your link. Facebook works well for any niche, and some groups have millions of members. Remember, to maximize your earnings, apply this method to as many videos as possible. Don't limit yourself to just 1 or 2 videos. That won't yield significant results. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!